Today, I'm here to spill the tea on homesteading. The good, the bad, and the downright ugly you need to know before diving in. And we're going to answer the question, is homesteading worth it? So first, what is homesteading? Homesteading is practicing self-sufficiency by growing and preserving your own food, whether that be having a garden and growing your own fruits and vegetables, or even as far as having your own cows for beef and dairy. First, I want to talk about the challenges and problems that you can expect to face as a homesteader. Obviously, of course, there's financial risk involved with homesteading. You may put money into starting a flock of chickens or getting a herd of cattle or goats, or even just putting money into starting a garden, and it may not work out. You could raise your chickens all the way up to laying age and something could happen. A sickness could come through, a predator could come in and take them all out.
Just take them out. Just take them out! Thanks for taking us out, man!
So there's a lot of financial risk to be expected with homesteading. And then next, obviously, is the isolation. There's a lot of isolation that comes with homesteading. You're putting a lot of time into this, and you really just don't have time for a social life anymore. We've really encountered this, and being a large family, it is better because we have each other. But for someone who lives by themselves, or even in a smaller family, you may feel this isolation a lot more than we do. Another thing is that it's really hard to get away. Vacations just don't happen for us anymore, and I don't think that they happen for a lot of homesteaders, because once you have a dairy cow or a goat that needs to be hand milked, you're going to find that you can't find someone who can do this for you. And the last one is there's a lot of hard work. You're just working all the time, and it's not easy. You're lifting 50-pound bags. There's just a lot of hard work involved with homesteading. This is to be expected, especially here in Texas. We have to work in the dead of summer heat, and that's hard. And if you're sick, you cannot take a day off. Your animals still have to be fed. Sometimes your garden can wait, but you can't let it wait long. Right now, you may be feeling a little bit discouraged, but don't, because now I'm going to talk about some of the benefits of homesteading. Obviously, first, there's the good food that comes with homesteading. I mean, who can say that they've eaten homegrown melons and they've gotten dairy from products from their own cow or goat? And not just that, the food is just flavorful because of how fresh it is. The stuff you get from the store doesn't come right from the farm down the street. It comes miles and miles, and it's sitting for a really long time. This way, you have the freshest and the best food to eat. You also get the stuff that they don't sell in the store. Like, I don't think a lot of people realize it, like Brussels sprout leaves can actually be eaten, but they don't sell these in the store. The farmers get them all. So now you get the benefits of the stuff that you don't get to eat. You get the fresher stuff. This also comes with a deeper connection to nature around you. Whether you want to get off your phone more, or you want to just stay out of whatever the world is doing right now, you want to stay away from the news, this is a great way to do it. It's a way to keep yourself busy without having to scroll through social media or watch the news. And it brings you really closer to your food and plants. Plus, all in all, it really just is a simpler lifestyle. Again, if you're just looking to get away, live a simpler, lower key life, this is it, guys. It doesn't get better than this. And, our family has learned so much from homesteading. So many things that we never thought we would know. And on top of that, too, this has given all the younger kids a chance to start a business. Joshua now raises quail, and he actually sold some of his first dozens of eggs just this past week, and that's amazing. We're so happy and proud for him. Jonathan has been raising the turkeys, learning to do that. So there's just so many things that they've been able to learn and do, and I've learned so much from doing this, from gardening, raising the cows, helping raise the chickens. I never thought that I would know how to milk a cow, and that's just crazy. So I guess what I was trying to get to the point of is that there are highs and there's lows with homesteading. There's both, and there's been times where we thought we wouldn't make it out the other side of it, but we always have. And we've learned so much. We've actually learned more from the bad experiences than we do from the good ones. So just keep that in mind if you're having a bad experience right now in homesteading, or you're not sure if homesteading will be worth it. It really is, guys. It's definitely worth it. Hey, buddy. You want to say hi? Yeah, who's a good boy. So just keep that in mind when you're going through tough times in your homestead. Maybe you've just lost an animal, or you've lost a flock of animals, and you're not sure if what you're doing is right anymore. Just remember, you come out the other side better and stronger because of it. So I encourage you all to drop a comment below. Please share your own homesteading experiences with others. You don't know who they're going to touch. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so we can push it out to as many people as possible. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already for more homesteading content.